Okay, now you start.
Diana, come.
Yeah.
She's the spokesperson of the family,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
we have traveled extensively as missionaries all over the world. It's been wonderful. However, no other journey has compared to the Palace on Wheels. It is the best. 5-star? No, not 5-star. 6-star.
Thank you.
We will come back. Many of our friends will come.
Wonderful.
It is absolutely staffed by some of the most generous, loving, sharing, hospitable people I have ever worked with.
Thank you.
And I say
Your
that-
name and which part of?
Diana,
Yeah.
Bill, Upchurch. We're originally from Texas, living currently in Florida, but we've lived all over the world
Wonderful.
as missionaries.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Diana.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
It was a
Thank you.
wonderful experience.
Yes.
One we'll never forget.
Thank you. Thank you.